So I promise I'm going to finish the review on this car. It's an MG HS after owning it from brand new for 3 years. My thoughts on it, its performance. But my wife came home. So my wife came home and she said, I was going to finish off the last bit of the review. And she said, I've been to the supermarket and a shopping trolley has hit the car. So I said, right, okay. So I walked round. That is some whack from a shopping trolley. No way a shopping trolley has done that. No way. Anyway, I thought I'd turn this video to see if my dent repair, £35 dent repair kit, can get this out. Because when I bought it from Mangalexi, I took out their, I think it was £699 or £590, one of those, that gives you so many paint repairs, wheel repairs and dent repairs. So I took pictures and sent it off to them, who then sent it off to the people that do the work for them, and they said, no chance, it's too big and it needs a new tailgate. So I think a pro could pull that out, but I'm going to have a go myself because I've got really nothing to lose if it needs a new does need a new tailgate. So here goes. Wish me luck. I must say I'm not overwhelmingly confident that this is going to work. Because there's too many curves in it. I mean, that's meant to be. It's meant to have a rigid... Well, I don't know. I don't think it does. That needs pulling out. So that needs one there. So I'm going to work my way along and see what I can do. So I'm going to have a go at this middle one here first. That did absolutely nothing. Hopeless. It's not even moving it. Try a little bit of solvent on it. See whether... I don't think this is going to work. Don't think the glue's grabbing it properly. So as the last go, I don't think I'm getting anywhere. I'm just wasting glue on my time, really. As I say, I've had a dent repair specialist look at it, and as part of the cover that I paid out for to cover the wheels and paint and body, and they said it all said it needs a new tailgate. So anyway, I just thought I'd try, but I might have to concede defeat on this one. I think this car has had so much wax on and put on it over the years because we take it to a valet place that even though I've used a solvent on it to try and get a layer off, it's still, the glue's not sticking. It's not even budging it. Yeah. So this is a failure. Sorry guys, I tried. So I still finish off the review on this and I'll post it. But yeah, it's a shame. As I say, take it off and do it again. It's been pushed right in, so whether you can take all the trim off, so even if I take this plastic cover off and tackle it from behind, I don't think I can, because I've just removed this little panel for accessing the lock and looked up and it's double skinned, so even if I did remove the cover, I can't get to the outer skin easy. So I think that's why they said it needs a new tailgate, because where you need to push from behind, you can't, because you've got that plate there all the way across. It's a shame.